o company mu o da chinti ya ye ne saa wate madam ewo mu a maame na wate ase se bra na obekire wo sene ye pamade sene ye tiri no ewo mu a madam no kone ho na ka chen se madam me da se nipa doso na me ne wagye me se obekire made me da nyame shira wo. Appreciate your employer. Sometimes mu afre no boss man me patwa pomboko de wasi wa pomboko bibi ekoso so bibi ekoso nyame nhira wo se wagye me se me ne wonya adwuma mame ka se mo nkyira wo se wo ya adwuma na etua wo ka eya ada wo boss na se because enye company nyina na ya adwuma etua wo ka endi se salary ni ba no afre wo boss me patwa me nsa ka makatua no nyame nhira wo. Show appreciation to your boss. Share Ghana hano when you begin to do and you maybe say because omunya no ye hwehwani mu. But I feel na me ya ma wa no pay. If you want to build employer-employee relations, o say yes strong. O say the bond between mumi enu no emu ye dru a. Eya ye de America kire we. O ye government appointee. Authority na appointed wono. Ewo mu a go to them and show appreciation to them. Oh, madam say nipa bebre yi nyina. Mo bo mimi din se me e na memra me kura di brei. Nyame nhira mo. Eno no nya bribe na de koma no. Eno no nya sika bi na de koma na kana no atum da bi. Na emom se wakoma mu fan, wadwene mu fan se ne ya wo kwa akoye no. Eye de wam akwanya wode ama wo no so ase danye se ontumi nana simwie but o kire se ne waye na so wani dodo asenka wo ma ne buru so anka abeye mpacho wati ase okunu maame ewo ho no mo ahwe nanim na ka kire ne se miwura me dase se waware me hwe mai doso owiase nyina e mai ba wakwan mu nanso yi nyina uhwe mu na me na wo se obeware me na waware me ama ene me ye me sis ewe udin mu me da se wate nyame nhira wo bema onso ko wo yire ho ka kire no se me yire me da se mema bibribe a wo wiase omo e ba wakwan mu uyi wo mu nyina si nchen na wo gitu mu se me na obeware me nyame nhira wo. Emofra ewo mu amonso monko mo maame mo papa ho monko da o mase so mo te ase so mo betena se oyire ni wokunu ne nam so ama won susu wapie firi mu se ba da wawofo ase moma yen kire ani so emfa ma yen ho wa abrabo mu yen da chinti yenim ne da chi wo ma yen Bible say manya ma mu nuanom no manye amfa ma me asafo awurade se ye yed ya mi kan na se wo mu a wada wo boss ase se wafa wadwuma mu wada na se se bosumi bia so otua wo ka wada wo boss sa wo mu wadwuma mu ase so mu nyina ma mo ho kwan ama wo no mu ye adwuma ye wadwuma bi wo ho no mu a wo bawura mu a unya wura adwuma ni mu pa wo bawuza se et se ofreni sen enua ugina kira wo hunu se bom bebre but wo bawura mu se bia sisi baabi endi se boss bi ma no kwan na so no be nantia. Appreciate that boss. Appreciate that boss. It will build employer relations, and that bond between mumi no him sheki ebeko so agina de agina na afei odo amode be ye adwuma na beko sro obi be free ne komam na odi ya adwuma oda chinti ya ne saa ma me wate ye ne saa wa aware nim ye ne saa wo suku nim ye ne saa wa adwuma nim uticha kokko da na se so abre ne wanse wasua ade ama ne nyame apagya na wanya nimde ne wo kire wade ko o boss ho ko uticha ne ho ko da na se me da se wama wo kwan asua ade ama ne wo impart bi di ama me madam na wafo adwuma mu na wo kyerɛ wade pam o kyerɛ wutire ye no ewo mu ya danase why danase biwa no ka kyerɛ ne sɛ meda ase sɛ wa kyerɛ me adwuma yi meda ase sɛ wa gye me na wo kyerɛ me adwuma asɔre ni mu ɛyɛ ada wo sɔfo ase sɛ wa ma ne ho kwa ma nyame yusu no ama ene otumi tene ne nsa bɔ mpaye ɛma nsɛnkyerɛni si wɔ wabrabom ɛyɛ ada sɔfo no ase yɛnyɛ ne saa na yɛn da chinti yɛyɛ saa ɛbɛboa yɛn awurade adom nyɛ kɛseɛ ma yɛn ne honhom no ɔso mfa ma yɛn adom ne nti amen sima duanan ɛnson ɛna abɔ apa anɔpa no nwɔtwe ɛho wo da chinti ɛna esi ya no yɛn da chinti ya mom yɛnyɛ ne yɛkeka kankan na entumi ɛmoa yɛn wadwen kyerɛ fabra 0594 841 044 0594 841 044 for adwen kyerɛ fabra ne yɛkenkan ɛmfa ɛma wo MTN Ghana ɔmo de afa aba afa ne yɛ promo a MTN Ghana na de aba ɔmo sɛ bia wotie mi anɔpa yi woyɛ kuani woyɛ driver ni dwadini anasɛ adwuma na woyɛ no wotae ɛyɛ call bebree wahu wotae ne nipa kasa enti sɛ wotae yɛ call bebree na wotae ne nipa kasa deɛ a ɛwɔ sɛ wonya more talk time na wotimi didi saa nkɔmmɔ na ninti ɛna MTN Ghana de afa promo yi de aba ɔmo sɛ register wo mobile money wallet ni mu 6 Ghana cedis bosumi bia no ɔmo ma wo 1000 minutes of talk time never frɛ obi ɔno nso a register wo afa platform no ɛso ne oni so ɛdeɛ ɔmo bɛma wo 200 minutes talk time na ne nakasa na afei 20 minutes talk time na wo de afrɛ any other networks ma me nkodi nkɔmmɔ wi mra me ba na afei mensan ɛmfa afa higher purchase no nso ho nkɔmmɔ ɛntoa so ɛma wo yɛkɔ a ɔma no so no yɛ ne Frank G Money akɔbɔ nkɔmmɔ Frank wotie nka no pɛ yɛ mo akye
ya me aminia
apombɔkɔ deɛ
nyame adom wo na nso
nyame adom yɛn so yɛ ho yɛ paa ɛkwan so juju afutuo yɛ pɛ bi atie
yo me tia ahenkan fam asiefo nyinaa na ɔbɔba na ɔtwe wɛm sɛ me ba ɔdan no me ka sɛ menya taxi amfo
wanya taxi wɔn
na me hu taxis ni bi dodo na afide kuma edin as a lockdown aba no nanso yenya ne ntie bi nze na ne ma ne nam ne mbem
ai amu yɛ adwuma DVL mpanimfo ne yɛ adwuma pa
amu so system ne kasa
sa
afi ni pande de ya
enfum so wɔ hɔ saa ne tie
na quick one yɛnto a yɛdwuma di ne so me ba ɔdan no without numerous taxis no na me gina hospital na me observe traffic situation in kakra. On says as we back crossing now on drivers men time dinama pedestrians no. But one problem I realize say driver be who no dina so bin chemwa. Once a most to be a yifa na fe ma ko sia pedestrian no zebra crossing so. Enti e bedi kan asre adaba for ne say u dina ama obi atwamu a two things. Either say obe ade hand signal a friend arm signal. I was say you won't say AP now they signal you do what you say onto the bona waiting up for a reason. See be a car no full corner on the road gas and not from there. Ube so traffic indicator showing to the left. In this would not say we been chemwa, ebi kwa na nyezi zebra cross, but on this school kwala bebre age na wa. I was also show what anyway now signal amo ban say you have seen something now person would not much. And I make us obey me so arm signal. I'll bet you on 30. I will be in a car say you will work in your own dinner. And yes, I won't say a penam way you have for Hona. I feel a critical mamma. Pedestrian now, person with Chemuno. You either use the arm signal and now say oversaw traffic indicator to the left. In this when him hospital, for people now dinner sana. Also to the left is any Ura hospital inside now. You do what you know, there is no way say obey you overtaking. The aquasia pedestrian. And after so your favorite be bumper reflector. Bumper reflector no already saw vehicle your mount 4 pieces. Emu mienu red and emu mienu white. And pimpy drivers no etide the wrong place. Bumper reflector no emremu no. I was say white one or reflective white one ever when him now red one no koachi. Me fast room me who taxi drivers be brea na am bumper reflector e be the red na be boy nim and a white new way. Totally wrong. A reflector, maybe after we tail light trample it really, and I say, oh, driving out all of a sudden, we tail light a duma. A man, Amudi Wetino, auto lighter, a tall red reflector, and a swallow who the car no demon, no, Metini, the top white, Mr. Anessa, car is one and so many. Inti no enye se bia ye bo ba bia keke ndi se obi e mi na se ne bumper reflector no red no we ni ma me trust your car numbers bia na ba me person me bo numbers no FM ni so inti se auto I was so the white no reflective one no ekọ enim obo enim na so the red one no ebo echi afi ade ba ko e chat one me observe ni say drivers ni bi sa mo ye bright na afi amo de nyema be bra hangi car ni mu football car boot, football boot, flag, Nima. There don't when you be it me distract or driving. In the announced the best spray at Brava Fono. So, so bright, okay, Mua. In answer, all my film them. But tickets, the green, hanging items, the green, work on any media. Yeah, Fuaputa, in the Omonshana, and also a moment in Brafom. Nema, a Franco, and Jojo. It's nine there, a Hana Mede with repeated bit, no, ABC.
All right. Yeah, better see be brave. And then you could do weekend. I don't know whether nipa back home you be our back. Good morning to you.
Yo, Oboba, read the mestre. Say find out how my main introduce me who you na. Edimo, person who means after move me. Not say meet me the number and start to go for the first time on the show. I don't know if the green light is there. Can I do that?
Okay.
And I traffic better.
Chere onipa kura wo yanko mbe hunu pa se ta no di nkomo
okay ni di kan ma trade o hectare pen enti me professional teacher so and I road safety campaign no me ejima driving school victory driving school enti ye the asphalt we ho so say nimbie kakra ye nya no ye nkwan ye nkifu ana ye ma customer te ba ye ho nkwan na enya ene ye de to eja ama enti ceremony mi amini what mean can hectare pen and I say oh baby ko hectare me na dey pen the same person na na nkofo bin say a different person if you mean say dey hectare bi na mum no metre wo na uti na dey nti ade bia mfa to ahenkan FM na munti obenya nimdie fofo de aka kakra wo nimne fo me da se
yenso ye da se papa all right yene ye ra Frank G money say money say money maba me ba ma we yachi yɛne na kɔtwetwe nkɔmɔ a wetu adrabafoɔ no nti yɛbɛto aso afa higher purchase sɛ ɔmo san ɛtontɔn nneɛma bebree adeɛ bi a wopɛ sɛ wotɔ de free ɔmo hɔ ɛfa kuayɔ nneɛma ho ɔmo tontɔn bi ɛmo na afei beans seedlings fertilizers ɛna agrochemicals ɔmo tontɔn ne nyinaa bi ɛwɔ wɔn akakye hɔ nti sɛ wopɛ sɛ wotɔ bi a wobɛtua 50% down na afei di aka no wetua ne kakra wobetumi atua through Momo wallet na anase Momo account no wobetua na atumi aboa papa enchiremu bia wopɛ wɔ afa ɛho no ɛyɛ 1848 frɛ 1848 anase call any Momo agent MTN Momo agent anase vendor bia hɔ na onkyerɛkyerɛ afa ne mu emfa entrel nyame ya adomo a ene ye fiada nti ye de ahenkan abrempana muntuo ebebremo abrempana muntuo de eho adansedie nyina nim dada nti no enya afi ne yebesi hu konwa akɔ ho na asesom akyerɛkyerɛ mu ye nyina nim ene ebo no nso a eya na matie bi ede amayen South Brim Rural Bank say menkan kyerɛ wa wutie mi anopa yi so ma float shares no as little as 91 pesos so betumi atobio 500 shares ne bo no som 455 Ghana cedis so when je wona be peso beto shares ewo South Brim Rural Bank no ba be part of the owners na branches amede beto dwa betumi akɔhɔ no na afei onso wakɔfa forms ni bi affiliate ya ka na okokra kana okotua na ye shares na wutua ho ka eni ti achiase odan asama kesi akwetia new abrim asene ena prade South Brim Rural Bank ubehunu yen ewo ho enomo yenko ne ne councillor fin enko twetwe enkomo councillor no pe wote yenka ye mo ache de ba henkan so
yo mejo so ba
adaro mapumbo ko de
ya me kwa kankan na wanso
nyame adom yenso ye ho ye pa wabene ewo nwomasuam yi me misa past questions ɛho hia sɛ akwadaa ɛkɔtwerɛ nsɔhwɛ bi afia no a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛtɔ bi de ma no.
Mamenda Sigabri, na Minchia Funina, no clearly to be very firm. Past questions ain't about, I mean, for Yamwasa Biaku school, I know those CIDA who go through exercises, assignments, syllabus, curriculum, or textbooks, teachers, sometimes, we train you with some of the questions about in the past, just so you can anticipate or guess some of the areas that could come in the examination. So, in the system of education, in a learning process of teaching and learning, no, past questions ain't bad. Now, the Nipani syllabus, now the past questions are a Jimmy and a Jimmy. As I say, akwala o fie na o ma le duane ndi na wakoto ka abre no. And as I said, unsi dan fa ama onya baby odimiti beto enyiye na sabe wakoto Land Cruiser abre akwala na we be 10 years and say, hey, daddy loves you so much, take this Land Cruiser when you are going to school, ride it. When you are going out with your friends to play, ride it. When you are going to the beach, ride it. Meanwhile, no, so if beach or Kwajineni, Akwalani, Kwajineni, or Land Cruiser, no, not bad, baby, or better, Libby. This is what is happening. So, past question is good. Now, you say, Akwalana, our secondary school in Ghana today, no, the basic need a past question, Anna. Nya eziano pa genuinely say your secondary schools Ghana has a research na ye bisa nkwala ni nyina say Ghana mofra obia fa need basic need eziano pa say abanye primary school are we really sure the children will write past questions? Two, you see, in 24 year old man kasa yakopon be tia yenka
Counselor, unza okane sa ano odin dodo ana and meba empanimfo ni nyinara adwene ntumi nye baako nti ye denya ebinimo so oman no kwampa so nti se o generalize ne sa unse it is too harsh.
Okay, empanimfo ni bi mu o ya
Thank you.
That's what you want me to say. I'm fine. I'm so fine with it. The reason why I'm saying this is that you have your profit to be we have to more. When you want the agora, obey your punishment before you die to go and meet whether there's heaven or hell or whatever after like you get the punishment here. Bako I am mofra. We are vulnerable. For them, no. Sepe, if their future cry, they don't know it. It's open, you know. Their future depends on you. Send your bed done, send your bed drive, and then never makwalano. Wouldn't say, there are lots of people who have grown up to be unemployed and said be useless in life, not because there's something wrong with them, but because the leaders of their families or the leaders of their nation couldn't help them. The second group of people women. Sometimes I'm vulnerable. Many of the time we are tempted to do things that will pain them. Oh, you're bad, yeah. Not actional, equanimua. We say obey your punishment before you die. This is what we are doing to the children of Ghana. This is what we are doing to the future of our generation. The secret of quality education, but ya can come so ya cover so. Your presence is something bad for the children because we don't want to produce future engineers in this country. We don't want to produce future doctors. We don't want to produce future lawyers. We don't want to produce future scientists. We just want to keep on producing poor people so that the children of the leaders will still continue to rule them in future. That's what we are doing. America, Germany, China, what person will produce what is generational thinkers, and what person will produce innovative leaders in future. No, are they buying fast fashion for their children? Oko China, almost of us is that one banana. Oko America, would we see this? Oko Germany, would we see this? My brother, 21st century 2021 in Ghana, we still teach computer on blackboard. What are you talking about? We still draw mouth, system units, monitor on blackboard, and ask children to go and point it on the blackboard. My brother, 21st century, we still have schools under trees. Why won't see schools under trees? And the person say, so Ubisa Kolabi said, the class was your point to Mango Diaby, it was a meme class 4, we are class 4, Mango Diaby class 4, Paya Diaby class 5, Banana Diaby class 6. This is the reality of some people. You pick over 14 billion Ghana cedis to buy past sessions when these monies could erect structures, buy computers for our children. What are you talking about? You mean you are solving the problem of the Ghanaian student? What problem are you solving? Oh, so you just want to pretend and make it look like, oh, you are helping the children. Oh, you are helping the children so that those who are not critical enough or those whose minds are not deep enough would sit somewhere and think that, oh, by way here, he's helping our children. Oh, this government is helping the children and all that. Come on. First, what we are doing is wrong. It is not a thing that produces generational leaders. It's not a thing that will keep Ghana. The world is running very far and fast. Look, people are looking at, just yesterday, talking to a group of young people, looking at how computer has come into the system and it is changing today. The children we are teaching today, you tell them what handwriting, Obeko KG classroom, now you tell them handwriting, how to write and all that. Meanwhile, no, Obenyi, no, I did you obey print and our typing, or the type and our printing. So, what is the need for this handwriting thing? But that's what we are teaching our children. Go to other parts of the world. They are using tablets to teach their children how to type, how to write on tablets.
Yeah, Daniel, no crown and crowphobia, so I send a message. Baramaka say if Niawo pinpointing, you who say a mishaps are a war education. No, adding and education is the 4 to 7 more binomo, more draw the attention of the ministry. Na se impo obe engage mo krano a o engage mo na matena ho mo hu se ye ohawo mo ka ne sa akeke.
Look, my mental reality being true. Yes, I mean when you are outside, you would feel that oh, it is easy. Oh, it is an educationist. You can know about umpa, nembo mother and country minister. You feel it is an easy to look. Last year, I lost a multi-million-dollar contract because I criticized the government over this past session. Yeah. If you speak, you see, when we came out or people came out with this culture of silence, and there are a lot of people who are not even close to government who are defending it. It is real. It is real. Go and ask Kofi Asare, Africa Education Watch. He will tell you the number of contracts he has lost. Not because he did anything, no, just because there was a policy like this and he criticized it. People are victimized. I don't know if there's any intelligent man who has not given up on this country. People are being targeted. Just about 2 weeks ago, Kaka was killed.
That is allegedly, and we allegedly for now.
Oh, it is still on his Facebook page. And he received threats before the death. So it's not.
But no court of competent jurisdiction approve we say and correct.
I mean, it is what I am saying that has come up with a committee which we still watch on TV. So it can also not be so much in a vacuum. That's what I'm saying is totally not the case. If it's not the case, then why the committee? But that is not even the education. It's not related to education. But I'm telling you that people who have come out to criticize issues, sometimes from very genuine heart, because the likes of Kakakran, they were certified NPP members. These are people, we knew them, say, oh, they were following this guy, they were doing this. So some of them were even criticizing genuinely. Some of them were not lucky, they were killed. Some of us, we have lost, personally I can speak for myself, I've lost multi-million-dollar contract just last year because I criticized the last year past questions that came up. Kofi Asare has come out to say that he has lost a lot of contracts, such that there were times he had meetings with the Ministry of Education. The moment the minister saw him, he said, Kofi Asare should walk out.
Is it a current minister and I say the previous one?
No, obviously the previous one. I mean, the current one came in just January.
Oh, okay.
So there's the reality of victimization happening. That's why we always thank you, the media, for giving us the platform to air, because we hope that MCEBTA, District Director of Education BTA, Regional Director of Education BTA, sometimes, Obeka discuss your radio, so it doesn't go anywhere, but we was in a car, we want to wait, they can be across the mind, and that's how to mix him, then they will move with it. So it is not easy getting to these people because, looking at the kind of education they are even providing, they still want parents, unsuspecting parents, to feel that they are helping their children. But I want to remind all parents that the kind of education system currently being run and the structure being put in place, they are not the kind that will produce computer scientists. They are not the kind that will produce proper medical doctors. They are not the kind that will produce engineers. So if you are a parent in the house, then you think that, your child, or could go track 3 months, no, I bet if you 6 months, or continue school 2 weeks, and I say I bet if it's engineer.
Okay.
Deceive yourself into thinking like that.
So to understand you very clearly, Nyawo Kenyina say we should set our priorities right.
That is if we even have priorities. Because what we are doing, you see, when we say priorities, we mean your idea way, your idea way. Now, say, that idea we ain't gonna first, that idea we ain't gonna second, that idea we ain't gonna third, and we are setting the priorities right. But like I said, I don't even see plans the education ministry. No, now you can do. The education ministry, the 10 plans are back now. One, so I can take number 2, so I'm so okay, take it. We don't have those things.
Oh, okay.
Oh, now the new curriculum, I'm not the class, you know, you're rushing. Since I'm no country, new curriculum, I can't make it hanging. Do you know why it's hanging? From class 1 to classes, they are doing the new curriculum.
Okay.
J1 to J3, they are doing the old curriculum. Into Yakola, who go through all the new curriculum, who share the new things, how do JHS, then I can go back to the old curriculum. Now, if you are learning the old curriculum, now they're actually BEC. Very funny and rough and messy system going on in the country.
All right.
And I keep saying that if you're a parent, now, you engage in your child's education, like all the fear assignments, homework, project work, research, but if you're there 3 days, no, they are prompt, could you have these days, what's happening, what's going on? I mean, let us all be engaged or involved directly in the education of our children.
All right. Councillor Ma, yena se anope obrene wadaje wenya dia mayen. Yebesa babium wabra the need will arise. Why? Okay. Yeah, that's yene Councillor Daniel Finn. Ono krona san ye educationist. And yene ko twetwe commodify eno krana curricular kra. Procurement of past questions. Yes, here to top past questions in the man kwala na last year any this year nko past questions say to the man kwada no okay kan bo ni nyina bomu a 68.4 million Ghana cedis. It are top past questions. And kwada no krampo kra no last year so obeka ya yeah, the past questions in the ma omu wie ye. Omu got na exams ho. Omu be past questions, omu be questions ni mu omu hwe mu. Ni omu sua o past questions ni na omu se ba kokora ma. E na omu sha ase a omu twa ball omampani akufare so mo kai. Ya san akoto past questions biom. Ya kwa akoto past questions biom. Nti oman no, do we learn from previous instances? And I say, we should learn. That is here. Adibo on we see and we see be the free mu. And kwada omu ko twabɔ mampanyini because Your top past questions ma omo ne catch am say eno nko an omu nsua afi nkola no kodu exam so ba akokore ama ene Daniel Atemdidie. Paul Kobina also watching live all the way from Saudi Arabia. Osano pe Yamana Sresa. Semana ni kan Yamana Sresa. Eric Hakuna Matata nso my good morning all the way from Koforidua. And wadi eba ye. Dr. Down Blue Eddie Free Prem Swapio Sika and eba ye. And watch say ono kasa dia fa Canada Japan ho yate. Ejabata also ono so ohwe yen etie yen from Adenta constituency in the Adentan, but baby ono so one Adenta also ohwe yen live at the free ho and inti yamwadwuma pa yeda sibibri teacher kuju tepa enyino so ono se MPC ni nyina akomutia bomu na omo ya ade baako omo wie nso na masan ba abonten na omo twamfoni se omo nka oso omo nya asa ade no omo ye no na enya ade a ebeboa wo omo kitikra enti omo nyai. All right, me pa cho so betimi do de aba 0594841044 0594841044 South Brimura Bank asem na miguso America de a kire wo se omo se men kan kire wo na no pai omo shares no omo fluti nti ba bi a me kire wo obetimi akwakofa forms ni bi wa achiase odan saman kesi akwetia new abrim asene na prade nso betimi akoho akwakofa eye forms ni bi no afele o voters ID card uni no bi the traveling passport, driver's license, tax identification number, national identification card, one passport size photo, and so betimi the account fee account number or the beji dividends egum fre 0501 58 48 95 0501 58 48 90 and a 0501 63 31 88. South Brimura Bank ombejo so boa for National Petroleum Authority SMA kanchira wa no pay say LPG de uyusu ede nanso ye wokwan ahodo wo so ofa so na odi use na kwan kofo ha kesi amfam bro ni nti se wo koso a tie hwese etuhwa se etuhwa bie ba bi ade ni si no ema frama nwura edan no emu emfa sent ne ade bi e wo ho empi abonten ne etoso ebiom electricity bi aso ho eje bi aso ho no adum no ne etoso ewomu anu acheke eye tube na eda o gas cylinder ni mu connect edema stove no ewomu anu acheke ahwese ehun ba bi atue se ehun ba bi atue anu asesa no ayire so amfie mienu bia e wo se wutimi esesa no o de be no aduane amepache obi di kan so stove no ansa na waso matches no o de aduane ni ye bibia wi na wadum no nkratoi National Petroleum Authority ena wo mo ensahye ase abrempana muntuo ho nkomo ade amaka kirewo dada midweek starter park ye dwumadie soronko a ahenkan ede ebremu ukua da bia wabra no nso abo ekwakopim no nwotwe abapa ho sima no aduanan enum 7 to 8:45 odi ahenkan kwa me yebo abetena ase na oni CEOs awoma biebie nwuma omo aye successful e wo businesses ahodo mu no ode afutuo de bema me no mienu na yen so yenya tip ni bia na ye de aboye bra eni ti ya no wa hye ne so de amame ukua da bia bra Nelson betena ase ofi ha na ono akonjo magic no ato e de ama odi ahenkan kwa me yebo a na ono so ato aso e de amamo ebia na wutie me yenjumadi ahodo a yedi wa ha brempana muntuo ena fe midweek starter park program ya fe ne be sha ase no upebi atie wo fia na wonko a watie na fe watu so na mo mpacho ubetumi aba henkan ha na yede bi agusi di so ena ya sandi bi agu pen drive eso inti se CD di na pa 30 Ghana cedis ena pen drive no enso 50 Ghana cedis se nyame asem de anka me ka kire so de makwa inti yenso ye de be makwa we no CD no yekotoye omamfa nche yen ene ye de ene papa eguso nti se wonso ba beje de a e wose wonso tua kakra e de ma production team no se ne be ya mo be koso a atwetwetwe bibiri no ade agugu mpa wa horo so e de ama afofra aka swinging wheel office chairs, quality wooden chairs, authentic bookshelves na wopa ni nyina K Asenso Limited. K Asenso Limited. Enkran yewo Circle Adabraka of Iran Clinic, Kaneshi Flamingo Road. And so we know K Asenso Limited. Ewo ho. Fre K Asenso Limited. Ewo 0302 57209 0302 257209 and a 0302 919 739. K Asenso Limited, home of quality office chairs and book shelves. In Kunya Papa de Eyomo Hope and Albiano. Yanko Nayane National Chairman, Edema Senior Staff Association, Universities of Ghana, Enko Komo Bra Zakaria Mohammed. Yanen Kobo Enkomo. Brother Zakaria, Oti Enka, Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam and good morning.
Good morning. Apumbako dear.
We are doing well by God's grace.
Exactly. So I can see you have a bit challenge with your tree.
Very well.
All right. Okay. Inti yabamunchano peya. And we've also intercepted your release that is, prompting the government to do something about something that you have tabled before him previously. If he fails, you threaten that you will go on strike. That release is the explanation that we want this morning from you.
Yes, thank you so much. What basically happened is that you remember the 18th of May strike was suspended on the 11th of June 2021 as a result of a meeting that was held between Fairways and Salary Commission, Vice Chancellor Ghana Tertiary Education Commission, Ministry of Education, a rep from Ministry of Employment and Labor Relations. And at that meeting at the Legon Hall on the 9th of June, we had agreed in practice and in principle that we came out with some agreement that the government of Ghana, through Fairways and Salary Commission, would use a period ranging from 30th June to 19th July 2021, within which period all the concerns that have been raised will be resolved. Now, the concerns were one, that the conditions of service of public universities, senior staff of public universities in Ghana have not been reviewed since 2008. Now, currently, we were negotiating until there was, what they call it, until there was some misunderstanding. There was a communication gap between us and the Fairways, so we embarked on a strike. Now, what we agreed there was that from 30th June to 19th July, they were going to use it to solve all the problems. All the problems here means a tier 2 pension arrears. Interest will be paid. The conditions of service would have been finished. All the issues that we have been tabling over all these years will be resolved completely. And our fear is that today is 16th July. We are left with only 3 days to the 19th July. And we have not still been able to finalize anything. Because government gave a percentage, and we also proposed a counter percentage on our salaries, our base salaries increment. Now, the Fairways and Salary Commissioner told us, which was captured in the minutes, in the presence of Vice Chancellor Ghana, ourselves as senior staff of Paul University in Ghana, National, Ghana Tertiary Education Commission, and of course, the National Labour Commission also called in and had a hint of what we agreed. And as we speak, he said he was going back to government to secure a new mandate to see whether government will accept the proposal that was made, the counter proposal that was made by senior staff, and that he is telling us that he will get back to us in a week's time. In a week's time, calculated to mean on the 7th of July. 7th of July, there was no call from him, but I called him on the eve, and the mandate was also gotten. Then on the 10th, when we met at the National Executive Council meeting at the University of Cape Coast, I called him again. The mandate has not been secured from government. And we are only prompting that if we didn't set the time frame, they came out with their own time frame, convenient to them. So we are asking, what is making it difficult for them to meet the deadline? The timeline that was given, it is our plea and understanding that if they want the strike not to be held or not to take effect, they should do everything within their power to resolve the matter as promised, because there have been many promises in the past that weren't fulfilled. And that's why there's growing agitations across all the 14 public universities in Ghana where we have senior staff of public universities in Ghana.
Okay, so have you been able to notify or find out from the authorities that gave you the assurance that they will resolve this amicably? Have you been able to find out why they failed to, fulfill their promise?
I have just told you that I called the Fair Wages and Salary Commission when he promised that he would get back to us on the 7th.
This was when?
That was on the 8th, because 7th he didn't call me. I called him on my phone and we spoke, and he said he has not yet secured the mandate. And I said I called him again on the 10th of June to ask him about the same question. The mandate was not still secured. Because if the mandate was secured, they would have been able to organize a meeting and communicate the mandate that the new mandate government has given to him to us. And now the understanding is that the government side, the Minister for Employment and Labour Relations, also asked us as senior staff to submit our technical team. And they also submit their technical team. And the two technical teams, the government side and our side, were to meet and decide on the methodology for the competition of the areas on the principle of the Tier 2 pension areas starting from 2010 to 2016, which has been paid, which amounted to 41.35 million Ghana cedis. Now that has not also been done. We submitted our technical team members' names to the Minister of Employment and Labour Relations on the 30th of June 2021. As we speak, my brother, there has not been any acknowledgement from government side. And time is running out for us. And that is what is sparking the agitation. Government hasn't told us their technical team. And this letter that I've talked about were copied to the Ghana Tertiary Education Commission. They are also stakeholders. It was copied to the National Labour Commission, who are stakeholders. It was copied to the Vice Chancellor of Ghana, they are stakeholders, and copied to the Minister of Education. And the letter was directed to the Minister of Employment and Labour Relations. What again do we need to, who again did we leave out? Must we go ahead and communicate to the President himself? Those are the stakeholders, and all of them are aware of the issues that I'm talking about.
Okay, so if all efforts proves futile, when do you intend to resume your strike as intended?
Yes, as has always been the case. Like I kept on saying, the National Executive Council of the Senior Staff Association of Public University in Ghana is the highest decision-making body of our association. So what it means is that if after 19th we have not seen any communication, nothing comes from government. As we speak, we don't even know why. They have not been able to tell us why they have not been able to meet I cannot say that they will not meet the deadline. We will still hope and pray that they meet the deadline. But if they fail to meet the deadline, an emergency National Executive Council meeting will be convened to decide on how the strike is going to be resumed. And that will be communicated. And that is going to be very swift. We're not going to waste time at all in the declaration or in the resumption of the strike that we've talked about. And it's going to be a full-blown strike across all the 14 public universities in Ghana.
Okay, so before you take a leave of us, can you give us a little background about Senior Staff Association?
Senior Staff Association is a group of what is known in human resources as the middle manpower level staff of public university in Ghana. What it means is that, we have the senior members, and then we have the junior members. Then we are in between the senior members and the junior members. And then the senior staff is made up of what we call administrative staff, accounting staff, technicians, laboratories, librarians, drivers, all the categories. The work, what do you call it? Work and physical development offices. All those people form the category. So the classes of senior staff is what is known in human resources as the manpower and the middle level manpower of public universities in Ghana.
So they are more or less non-staff people.
They are not non-staff. They are middle level. What it means is that after senior members who are at the top, we are next in command, followed by teachers and educational workers.
Okay.
That's what it means. So it means that some of the senior staff are even in acting positions. For instance, if you hear chief administrative assistant, that is a senior staff.
Okay.
If you hear chief accounting assistant, that's a
It's
senior
a senior staff. Okay.
If you hear principal accounting assistant, that's senior staff. If you hear administrative assistant, that's senior staff. If you hear assistant transport officer,
they are all
that's
senior staff.
They are all senior staff. And most of our members work in the various hospitals and clinics of the public universities, whilst majority of our members also work with the registry, and most also work within the basic schools. And that's where the confusion will come from.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. So we would want to believe that the authority, as you have once again re-echoed, they will do something urgent about it. So
that this nation will be peaceful. That is why we have cried ahead of time. The people are saying, why are we crying when the deadline has not elapsed? Must we wait until the unthinkable happens before we let you media know? So we have won. It is now the responsibility of government to be able to to meet the deadline, and then we will be quiet. We want the problems to be solved. If the problems are solved, we have no business going on strike. Are we not employed to work for the promotion and development of tertiary education in Ghana? And that's exactly what we are interested in doing.
Okay.
We are not interested in strike.
Okay.
It's only when we are compelled. So if government compels us to resume the strike, government should be responsible for the repercussions that will arise as a result of this strike.
Okay, so let's see what pounds out in the subsequent weeks. We will get back to you as when the need arises.
Thank you so much. And I'll also plead with you to get back to government and find out what is holding them from solving our problems.
Exactly my point. So it's a pleasure talking to you this morning.
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful for
All right. Brother Zakaria Mohammed, or your national chairman, Edema Senior Staff Association, Universities of Ghana. Eddie and Quatrin and Como. Na I was saying, I've been partner saying, Uncle Deba, Pika say, San Common with TAB. Okay. Went to me a money tank on one. O say, ma papa. All right, so 28 minutes after 9, still live on Canada 3.3 FM. And come on, and go to training in any tiawa. Senior Staff Association near the kind me cat bibisa no say yensa kan wo mon krata omode aba monten so omode bokoko se omode nsem bi atfo aban nanim aban ne hwe na wonye bibi mfa ho mfa ma wo mo no na wo so okay monsa kan sa pepepe ne tie na omo nsem omo kan se mre bi atwam no omo ye se ye wakatua ho nsem bi e wo se aban ne tua e de ma wo mo omo akatua e de ma wo mo no omo ye se aban no ntum kakra because sisi akatua ntum na baba so yi na eno no omo ka kire Fair Wages and Salaries Commission penifo no penifo se yate omo sign review another point omo kire say tier 2 pension pay bi e wo se no so yetua unse uya adwuma bia no a ye wo de aban ne te edi firi wakatua mu ena ne awon so o contribute e de kan aban de ho na mo de ato ho no ha eno so omo kire say na omo wo ase mentimi ho ase ba ko mienu bi wo ho eno nti omo ka kire aban no ema eye Fair Wages if we crash and catch them say okay man kan yate enti no you have a problem with technicalities momfa mu nipa mra ne yenso yemfa nipa de bi mra ena o say wo Senior Staff Association ni bi edo mu nipa de ko say aban mo am say yemfa nipa mra na say enfum so bi kra na aba ho o munya abotre nkyerechire mu na mu nyina mo nte ase na momfa members ni nyina mfa nto so bi o technical team na you ready aban fa ne de mra aban de ne say titiniti ho ni eto so biem omo ya so mo be ko strike na e wa pa na National Labour Commission funds so re ba ye untimi nko strike sa keke e wo se famra kwan so mo so okay untimi nko mra kwan untimi nko strike bia sa keke wo se famra kwan so a ye hawa ye de ato aban animu nie nti se wo na wo ye aban tem ginafo de ani tie na ye hu bibi fama yen e na National Labour Commission funds so tie wo mo nsam nyina am so okay munya botre ye be san amamo ate de be si bia mo mate omo so o ma hwe ani mu ahwe fa asege enti ya ba sa na ono ankasa chairman no ofre National Labour Commission penifo on the 9th and on the 10th ebisa ne say owura asem e de tu mu ani mu o ka asem be bibia fa ho ye nte hwe o eno so oso o munya botre egusi etoto nyama bibia be kama be pem de yi oso o mun sante hwe enti eno no o ka say omo say ma ban ne na kakra bi saban na anya hwe yamfa ho dia ene wo National Executive Council no Senior Staff Association no ombekwa kuhyiam omuhyiam a na de strike de ahyehye so eno no ombe fix date omde be call strike no na de ahyehye so a wacheche ne nsemu kama saade a kire wie ne da na sese bibia ne be san ba ne nchen biom tiawa Pro Power Engine Oil hey na o ko fa bro for interview aban kan kire me masa apa mi nidi yo share Pro Power Engine Oil bro for titikam sa Pro Power Engine Oil same kan say o car na petrol and say e diesel and a wo pe engine oil papa authentic one and it's synthetic e de agumu a Pro Power Engine Oil or say if we take it on now with the abagana ha nti ebia e moto tricycle abobo ya na say pragia o car no a taxi and say a private commercial one nya odi ye bia big trucks mu nyina a Pro Power Engine Oil and I make come for the amamo me pacho Engosra Inti Enterprise ewa Achimodan Crossing bra kweku eho a ben fitting shop we ne Amantra Junction ena edi enhwe animu Fre 0200 023797 0200023797 Pro Power Engine Oil a quality engine oil just for you. All right. And 33 minutes after 9, Sima Eduasa Emiensa and Abapa Anopa non-cron eho. Kaina channel to say media gusto wutie ne marching live on Ahinkan 93.3 FM. Me ofre me obo ba ofori amanfo. Pacho for adwen chen fabra na menkinkan fama. But mema wa bem. Unsa no pa no yeah newspaper review no. You be a simple question say home and away. Dear he and ye come up. And on uncle video messages the aba me be ken kan the amount but you Ghana fool. Research na about mountain it say away no ye papa away ni more de. Kofi Eddie free achim kokobin or say home is better than away. Okay, not to say a fear nya baako. When say midin the Ezra Kofi Nazareth or say adwumayefo a mo na na ka jesi omo nyina support away game no omo say away dey papa away dey eh yeah dey on na na ka jesi for adwene egum tiri am digu no ahun away mumu ye chen home yesi ukuro mu pete di na mu ebika wo yo Osi Abozegi FM, the best OTA and live all the way from Nana KJC Achim Asene and Odi Free by Kofi Ken Follow also Odi Free Bekan Wopa Osi away a better papa chain home and a Godfred and Sudi Free Achianse Osi good interview Mr. Host Koswa na ye dia wo ye nkakra nchia enko ema odobre kwesi intiamoa owo South Brim Rabank ena Godfred edi free eba ye ndo so no di free achianse no ochia odobre. All right, but also betimi do dia about 0594841044 and every person politics no ye teso kakra. You could do weekend. I was seeing you mu fine. You could do weekend, no. And it's me ma okwan ni mwanimu ya. Me ma okwan ni mwanimu ya brem. Home and away. Be ka kire me. Ye tie o. Dear he any more de. Home and away. Junior I'm friend saying cry. Evans Kwame Buedi. I say the junior there. I can't father junior so baby junior father the but me see your friend Evans Buedi there in there Mr. Obin there in there me person mama o ma bo wudi nyina aware o timi bo wudi ya me bisa hui wi anu me person mama Sam first home and away ujina he o ko hwe oyire anim asemo betu obi asɛm bɛto obi enti home and away no wo de wo abɛka kyerɛ me de ahi ne mu ɔde 0201944485 0554820910 ma yɛntie o home and away Kwame Steven or the same Kwabena Steven Kwabena Steven see away yɛ hey Kwabena Mama wa channel pay hello
yeah hello
me pa cho did baby akase free
me de AJ Junior akase free or da Kenneth Springs
okay home or away
oh away yes you come cry
I didn't know gaza
oh sa away there wa no sa away there again it me wine we yem
wa ware
me ware
ani intia hi 0201944485 0554820910 home or away maka kyerɛ me ma mempɛ nnwom solid bi kura mfa nto akyire hɔ no mo kura nkɔ baabi kura mpakyɛ mo akyɛ no pɛ yi
mo akyɛ miniwa
majo de so me de hye ada romadin baabi akasa free
me kasa free Senegal
ogidi gango ugina he efia na away
eh
ogidi adentia
oh away there so away dia nyina mu ni mu until dia sebe eduma
na o ni mze ukro mpete di uda mo bi ka ho
oh there
sa
oh away there nyina dia sebe eduma home there o be ka tete o ku te na wote ana o yiri te na wote o go ta ji aba usirim dia away there obi eni mu
yo abo modern why abo modern 0201944485 0554820910 mama acha no pay
ejo fu owo ba
ye oba bia bo awuram nti wu gina he udin ba bia kasa fi
ata comfort ka se fraction
nti kone yitie u
se mema ne se awe na ye mo ma eno mo mu ware no mo mo awe ni sa mo mu ma ho mu me ware
yate mama acha no pay
hello, good morning.
Yes, sir. But you didn't be a free.
Yeah, from in an ankoma. The cafe finish thing coming about something.
Hey, any I can see. You were.
Oh, I read the Wunyao. Because I read the.
Now, incoming assemblyman, I would not we.
Oh, David, because if you need the home, the Ubaya or Banzer, but they are in this way. Unya, I need to know the bay and Unya. But when the opera, yes, several come up.
You
be beyond son with
you, Mati. Hey, Eddie, you got a for me, ma. Oh, Debbie. 0201944485 0554820910. I'm watching on pay. Madam Ramadin maybe I can say free.
Bright music as a brother.
Okay, inti bright home and away.
Away in the guy, because home the only suku I got here.
Ulusu home when you but away the ulusu.
And when you are saving.
Oh, Debbie. Hi, it is a research. Yeah, no crew. Me see, ye bisa mema. If we are seeing now, mema 5 million. Mama, what channel pay? What are about anybody can say free?
Meeting the ID capital back up. But I don't have to fast in my job to free.
Hey.
I
winning yet. Okay.
Now we want for you or one baby so called baby. I do tip out one
oh, why idea? Because Vim out the buy and I be bring when me so said your casani the away and original.
Oh, David.
Why idea? What worry? Anna? Usuro kabete 0201944485 0554820910 yewie ni ahwie nwum agum ifiada de ese ya na ye no aka 19 minutes adwempa oba betwa so aka 19 minutes if you had protocol nya adwuma wa ha enti panwum bi tum ma me ho ho na wo bra betena bi ameti me ko tena ha ento so sa all right enti but also betimi add wadwen channel dia ba 0594841044 and a 0554820910 mamu acha no pay.
Hello.
Yes sir. Who did maybe I can say free? Okay, Prince, home or away? Home near. So what worry? Two straw BB. Cabete. Okay. Uh-huh.
What an entire camera or an out of and I will do that for now. We don't crash the show.
Okay. Okay, yati. Somebody call the popo. All right, Intia, I am Papa Twaso. Say me, I don't know. Me, I don't know. Somebody call the popo. Me winning lotto. Say me, I don't know. Me, I don't know. Anti friend of us, what dear bra? Say I catch now. If you had a BB at me, see, Dieta, was if you had a BB at me, see. Say me, I don't know. That's my far away. Hello, Dabby, what's your tomb? Anti. Hello. Yeah, me ba Jordan maybe I can free. Anti away and home.
Oh, home ya papa. Home there, audio points you are collect.
Allah. Jawzi home. Was home. Omo ye home. Omo gidi pa se no kre no mo kan no. Oh. No kre no mo kan. Sa. Ebi kan no kre. Ebi so me nim ebi on be so hu ma no mo. So mo suro. Now, the says some forces say on to me can't wait that. No, you're about Panasum. Hello? If I join you, I got free.
The Casafla sending new time from Kobe.
Anti Kwabi, hashtag away or hashtag home.
Now, home the open and wobble.
Hey!
Home to me, boss, Biabi.
Massa can no crab banning and chain or original chain. Sir. Hey. No sanu asa obi dia na akofanti. Obi dia na akofanti an sana na usuro.
Me see timi di bi fonto kra mu wo ma chikono mo na o me senda ne na fom. Ba home dia eno ne papa no.
Hey. Ya te. Kwado obi. Yeah, dio. Ghana for. Hello, good morning. We ba Jordan maybe I can say free.
Jesus Jenny taxi driver.
Taxi yan kwai.
Tibini ana me man for mo ka away no mo class den dia. If you unyo.
If you.
Njo mo ka away no, mo money now.
Hey. Wasi am ye ni na ho. Na ba se wa kire se no. Aba ase I have for no nyamesum ne do so ana say I don't get it too. Because research na no. Enipa makomako 5 million. And you bisa omo. E obi aba on. Obi ejina. Hello Bacho, good morning. We didn't baby Agasa free.
Good morning. Let's say Rose Nikasa first.
Sister Rose yankwai.
Nini now no. The best fire home.
Eh home on.
Essay out. Because if you crowd home
fans. And no credit. Out to me there. I'm one man on my Nothing money be so cabby. Yeah, but you're good, my master. And your mamma can. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
But Jody maybe I get free.
From Kubisam, it is not from allegation.
Oh, hey. I could be allegation. One pay. Young quite.
Efie ni fie.
Efie ni fie. Ti home ne ye.
Me ka me bia me kwa away. Ye ka na me fru fa to kwem. Ente ko su me nkom. La me blai. Enyi. Efie ni fie.
Na dro ba chim grofa mama ko manu. Ama baba ko manu se mo.
Minim se ebia nyamesom ne dɔɔso wa ha de a.
Pentecost for dɔɔso.
Minim wara de.
Nyamsa.
Se no kora no mo ka ne de a. Because baby I call you bia we ni wini.
Na ide ai nwanwa.
Baby I call you bia we.
Awale for no mo frɛ na awale for no dɔɔso.
Awale for no dɔɔso.
Soja for no mfrɛ bi. Ya mo achi no pɛyi.
Ya me dia.
Obangi ka se oni ni baby akasa free.
Ya frɛ bi cham kofi abo am ka se free a anyina mu kotoku.
Hashtag away and home.
Na bio away ni dia winyo. Na home ni ko boy dia yusu sa. O babra na no ba na ma na boy dia den se so we na yusu fa you.
Na bio.
Asem no.
Obi ni mo no.
Oh, okay. Na chese wo de ya wo kan de ase o nware ye ne wate asi ejo na wo kan yo.
Me yiri frawe.
Okay, o sa na wo momu de kɔ no. Na se wa wale nso no so entwa fa achie ne ya ohun.
There be my check I want him for the DBM.
Ani aso de na we ehom ni momu ye.
There be ontiasie.
Bonipa na oya catet na your friend say ofu abojuse no.
Yeah, nkrofo bebre fu abojuse o to mumu hwan ya.
Oya you know. Me do le fia fo eju.
Wonderful.
Ya fo ya ofu abojuse ya no oya di man ko fo wo da ton.
Oya juma wo yen ha.
Oya juma oya ma yi bia ma me wa anya ni le.
Oh, David. Oh, David.
Ye ni bibi sa.
Ya bajo abojuse de me fu abojuse. Ya fu abojuse. Blai. Blai sa fu abojuse. Abojuse de so biefu. Obi o fi abiefu abojuse. Yanya nkora yanyunyini. Ya mo aja no pai. Me ba chao even agasa free uni. Me kone. Hashtag home or away.
Home is best.
Hey.
And away no point of correction.
Ya pema ke no kure. Kano kure no. Na no gaza Kristo sum no bobo ongwazole onye Kristo ni. Se so si away.
Mimi
Yate, that's it. Obona say.
Me nyina ba bia o. Oh, e research ni akoko ye.
Afia medi me dance here. Ana bezo ya de egu musuma me gwa ba yi say. Me nu nya na tia nom ne ya de egu afia say. Afia say home. Ene ya say away. Me say wo nyina ba bia.
Oh, I see.
Ana so usuro.
Em so obi aba.
E ba ja mo aja no bai.
Ya aja, we shall finish.
Me ba ja na pomo e.
Ado, hu ni ahwe nti, je na.
Yo, hashtag away or home. See the can what you see the UTM command there.
Me da se pa me tiri nyina.
You young koi.
Ma me ma onye mu hu ba bia mja. Ivy Edna Ogori Obonyo because there is no place like home. Go sweet home.
Oh, okay.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Now, where's that? Good morning, Oboba. A hashtag away.
Okay.
Away is good. You feel comfortable. Or see you feel comfortable.
Oh, okay.
You feel comfortable. Or see a friend from Pong with the friend. Abuabo and a day. Bye. Yeah. Hello, I'm watching no pay. Now, a hashtag away or home by and sana no. We didn't be a free. Opinion uncle hashtag away or home.
me dem ngware na so me research kakra ma ye no etrese wakoye juma wabre no utu kwa akọ baabi no wakọ ji wafo me se wo kwa yale bi e wo ofu bia no ento me la wo mla fie no na ni na leko so se awe no
amanfo hey baabi odi ade ko ngungu aye pa obetisi mu no hey Ghana for on some move
away back or obeka no
baabi odi akọ ngungu an hello ya mo achi no pay
hello Aboba income Aboba assembly ma me ana masafi.
Na say wo dey bi a wo income assembly ma wo say we dey you two ade so kra on arrival.
Na me na me yire nya asem a.
Aboba mpese me cheche nsem bi. Aya na edimon ti asio. When say home no eyo home ni ye. By home ni bi on so a wa so mu nju fi ho. Eno ta no fa na kwa we kakla awe no fili.
Yo
afuna be chiri
we dey ja no obey damage control
afuna be chiri bu when so say your friend Kofi Ken
ba se obi aba
ai na said ya de ne Ghana for
omo fresh e brink
ya mo aja no pay
mejo so
oban ka se odi no ba agasa free
because fra tuma sene e fa ma kana ba ko pe
oban nyine yankoi
eja de ni nya tene se tete mu kakra nkyerɛw ye tene se hwese ufiri ekroma ba mana be no aduane ama wo eye ifi obeba na aduane bibia prepare we sensu esi hwa e bibia eno de ba se da koto unkowia ba we ni de mata ye tene se won kasa wo kwana ngata na che be 3 4 that time so kwa bono ona ye wote na na baba sole
osambo wagyina mu abo
sa ono kwa so su nyoma ma wo wana be to bibia so su nyoma ma aduane ni enso na damu abo ntini unse home ni de masa eye best home ye papa
so wale
oh ma wale
bye 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 hey andi anka obo ye idie
ne atie ne se
hey adi ato abawie kama bia wugina
home na we no wo abrabo na ye bodo ade bia anyi bia obetimi afa ama na ye but ye wade ni bi wono mo a wo ye no hwe nye yi se okoto se nkrofo mienu atie si na omo ko a ubisa se enra ede ni si ye obi aba won
obi aba wan fa no ya mo ache no pe yo hene so hima nso metwa e ba chodi no bia kasa free
kasa free agwa we fam dada
dada ntiwe no eye home na ya we
o bi pia se we ni mo de na home de
no ni de no lie
bisa na sa wo chire mu
mi temu bisa ni na ta wa su ni se adende mu de nwa
dia hin na mu ode
awe no
o si ye ni ani ye nim ti ni ebusa
sa eni mu ode papa
na ade ede na ya na mu ye de no
bi mu ye de
ai
so one ka se no so be say decent ni
oh da be so to me
anu tu mira no wa kire si untimi kire si ni dia na si we mire be na wutu eti kire
za
o ba gwa wa no tori mu
ai enyezo
enkofo frefre
nyina ebo ma Ghana fo no
aswala pa
hello ya mo acha no pay abani gazi odin ba bia gazi free
kasa free duani kwanda
kaka kuwa
ya che no
oh nyami ya ma se medin
ya fro say prince
me the
prince queen
and your rap prince home or away hey away
because away no on time in the day of baby I say match me fine
oh okay
question na ye bisa na me say dodo na nhyeda ante ase o
sa
research na ye no you say home and away no away no game no research no ɛsɛ away no game no yɛ dɛ kyɛn home game no saa na research no deɛ ne akɔakɔyɛ nti no ɔmanfo no a mofrɛ no research no nkyerɛ mu no me be present research na no nkyerɛ sɛ me wɔ away anasɛ me wɔ home but research na be present yɛ ne say away no ɛyɛ na fancy wɔ mu
sɛ na wo baaki kakra
sɛ ɛnneɛma bi a yɛyɛ research no ɛbɛda adi no ɛna na mekyerɛkyerɛ mu
okay yate
but waware deɛ a yɛ ama home no ɛnyɛ asiesie ɛbɛyɛ yie
yɛamo akyea no pɛ yi
so
ɔbɛn gase ɛdi no abi akasa firi
taxi driver David Babe kasa fi mi kam
o kasa firi o kam yate yate mbacha diwe no wo de kwa we ana de go home
me go home
wo de go home chirim kakrai
home no home na tawo kwa ubo wi a eya we nkwa na tu ko wo ti ko ego polusu awe ba polusu awe bi so akwa uko wini o mi so on so a o mu no bo a o wini ano sa no a anesa we sa ma cha no bo se try yi nkwa so the home ni de ye
okay yate yada se we free eye Ebenezer ho o se wo di free eye beka opa na o se away is good oh away is good oh na me ba cha wo wani abra wo frɛ sa we no we test line wadaroma and the way test line ya mo acha no pay
me jusu
aban ga se di me bia ga sa free
ya fra me ka be coffee me ka se fla bo abo
ka be dey
coffee
ano papa si ya nu mbo yesa
di walu mu mo
no ba ma ye kon ado ka be coffee ka ho
ya no
yate yankoi
awe ni ye kama si home no
o be pa away pa wo so there's me yet no na just say o be pa away o yiri be so mu omo
ana waware eh and when you kuduru kan radio so say away ye de
so away ye de see home
and inti na o say fro ka be coffee no
emu ode I say we ya that say
say ebrana so me form nsi
say amafo gusua ebrana so
the last one
hello didn't baby agasa free
SRC president me ketwa aba be kam ho ho ya no ahwe ne so yiya ma me why wo de same
ani me chia me na
o be chia president indeed president away or home
both
how both
so ni je am friend na say omo mo kasa no o say okogba we na de action na ma se so nya anadun kwa na ebo ma si bo bi ya gede ana
ai
Ghana for
Koulibaly me na ase me won crofobia me bi sebisa me be bon crofobia din ni ma bisa o say away or home
okay
enti omudin nie e ba che o tu din a na waje so ba bia wo bia DJ Nelson home or away wankasa answer DJ Fish home or away wankasa answer Ahenkan Father Dixon home or away wankasa answer Kwaku enin kusi Bwadum home or away wankasa answer Afia Ampofua home or away
Missy home
oh see home
that's how they know your home
na home
anya mpamacho munti ai wasi away senkanya away a onabu akwasi akoyem na sebedwani butu atimo na ne batam na
oh read the message you know
Obalade
say ma madwuma ne
ade yabon
ma madwuma o dey read the message ni wie
Was it? I got up work with Yago Yamla Savage and Mao down in Potem. Oh, Marco Toku Royals for 1,500. So Mokwa away, Echo Renew, when you say Sicano, Enkodi. No one more 100 cities for home games.
All so crap point.
Into honors
a point.
Yes, I home, and yes, I will home.
Oh, Nazia Fatuna Wayano. Nina more.
Or Chessa, almost.
Yeah, we but don't want to some more.
My editor was me, my poor media.
Was your point, dear? As I was your phone, Sana Median at ye, a try, or dog. I walk, I will fear her. It is Anna at ye, my Tijumedie, Anna Yade ever some one. Na a year, or Boba of Amafo, and a Jumediano, or dear, or Tuchani, I was so. Me a producer me kan ho bi me den e de adwempa nyine Kofi Mensa na Kwame Asante so de atuo mo Facebook de ensam no odim akotre pa kuche e de ehye ensam ne aso de abeso mo eye odi anka Kwame yebo no e won krabopuni mantamu etie ne na otwena wie ye ne saa na tie ye de beso mo ya wie ya pon ye ko de adu so ye de
kasi abotem
ye short when I say home no
I home
bye bye.
Wow, what's in your home? Biao. Fire burn you, dance samosa left and right. Wow, what's so power? No dance show left and right. Ebusia anapanondu abwa pahosema miensa. Kasiabo tel and saba hudre betwe go ya pram to bra kasiabo mone. Enume no nsia de mo na me de baba somo na ene ensaba hodra betibi ne se owura muntala na watoto bi ade ama okujeto abra kwase wo okujeto watena mra hye bedwafie wache waje kas na nei ya de foforo ba wo se enye wakasetia afen so na educationist owura William Buadi enso de atodwa wo kire se ya pasco na ya de etisika kwa akoto no useless nsem ntimpanifo fa sika nya adepa sanso na nsem awodromo no obete ese edwadifo ma wonom awankrampupu mantampo kwase wono obeka ya nanu ade ya na president Akufo-Addo kobie pokwase interchange nano 1 week pepepe mu ayase amanfo ahyase eton ade wo interchange na se nyamani boni butu on mod live report baba som ye nene ye busa question say why na ye a minister wo pena sempa president Akufo-Addo amamu atosum ye ni wo ma chem se tu first year no wa chem se tu minister ben na wabon homodin na Ghana fo bi akire wa madwen ya de political science lecture so ebetwetwe sasem no ho enkomo miami kroma tuntum remfo so anu demom se suku bi ho atetia pansam se kontebe entimpanifo meje wonom emehwe no munye suku no eye sanso na futo akọ ade amansamtwofo se ensamtwofo nyai political parties awodo na samfama wo mo sane ebe ya wo mo obehu se Ghana ha no mo kra nhye da hia samtwofo ka mo asem de bia no asa wo mo hia no mu gusu ye aniama ho nsam timi ye nyoma bia nsamfra enu nti buno regional chairman de man GJA eno de safutu samway akọ na adehya wonom so ewo aboabo dam so ekire se ensuo to a wonom enti ye kura ehun sam nyina so be piepie wakase ebo no emo ena wiem bobrenso ye de baba ne ye tete hu se akukọ bi akohwu obi sika awodi kodwa ya si akukọ bi akohwum obi sika wodi kodwa ehun sam no ebi apram to breka se ebo mo obete papa aha ena kase ebo tel no medi esie medi efia ampofoa medase